Hi, thanks again for joining us for the next installment of our video series following MCWB's collaboration with Florida Southern College. I'm Sam Libby, an architectural designer here in our Albany office. I'm excited to take you behind the scenes today as we work on a hands-on project for a very special exhibit. As we prepare for the upcoming Frank Lloyd Wright exhibition at the Ashley Gibson Barnett Museum of Art at Florida Southern College, we're paying close attention to every detail, big and small. You're invited to tag along with Jeff Baker, one of our principals, and his friend and colleague, Larry Stahl. Larry is the president of the Florida Southern College National Alumni Association and college trustee. Let's follow along as they roll up their sleeves and get their hands dirty for this project that will become part of the exhibit experience. This project might look simple, but it's part of something much bigger, a tribute to Frank Lloyd Wright's legacy at Florida Southern College.
So this just gives me an eyeball. So our material has to be at least that high, because that's
right.
So for this one, we're going all the way to the top.
Yeah, we'll go to the top on that one. So should we just put a mark about 3/4 of an inch up from that point?
Yeah, we'll just mark this and then I guess gotta make sure I use the same marks.
So we're up to the top on that one.
Top
so
it
this
is.
These
are all toppers.
Top. You're gonna go to the top on this one?
Or close.
Close.
This is A, this is B. One bucket's for A, one bucket's for B. Then we take the buckets and we can go to a bigger bucket and we can fill up that bucket and then add a little colorant and then go to the mold and just start pouring
Okay.
for the B catalyst. Okay? And the B stuff is obviously the key ingredient. A first, B second. That's what I learned.
Okay.
Just like home. But you will get it on your hands.
Jeff and Larry are mixing silicone to create molds of Wright's textile block designs.
All right, sir?
All right.
Yeah.
So how long does it take for these to set up then? Okay.
So it says 6 to 8 hours.
Wow.
I'll let it go overnight tonight. Pour it slowly into the center of the
Okay, we're going to the top on this one.
it's okay.
I think. Pour it slowly into the center.
From the center, yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
Once solid, they will have a negative impression of the design.
Not going to be enough, is it?
Nope.
Okay. All right, so we'll have to wait 3 more minutes.
The color here of the silicone is just for fun. It does not affect the final casting.
So this is the trick now, is to not to overfill it. And then you look at the sides to see how even it is. Look how much it used. See how much that used for one mold?
Wow.
Do we need a little more?
Yeah, I think we might need a little more.
I think so, and it's not even.
Each box needs to sit level while the silicone cures. There are a total of 12 separate designs to be cast.
Yeah, this one's going to be a funky color because we're mixing it to the other.
Yeah, I think that'll flow.
This is the Biltmore Hotel block.
This should fill it up, don't you think? The green one?
Yeah, I think definitely.
Okay.
I think it probably will be the whole bucket.
Oh, okay. Then we don't want to mix any more than. So one of the precautions about mixing the resin is originally that's what my problem was. I said, oh, mix 3 to 5 minutes. So the resin you can only mix for about a minute if you're going to have a max of 3 minutes to pour it. So we have to experiment a little bit.
That's a bigger block too, you know?
Yeah, that's what I keep forgetting.
Oh, it's way out of whack in the other direction.
All right. Leave that to you.
That's pretty good.
Releasing the molds proves somewhat tricky.
Wow.
Like cutting cake. There we go. Now it'll come off the sides. There it comes. The reason it's hard is because it's. Careful. There you go. Yeah. Let's see what we get, huh? It cleans up eventually.
Each sample was made by gluing together 4 separate 3D printed segments. The silicone makes a perfect replica, even catching the printed texture and seams. The next step is creating a positive resin replica of the mold. Each design has a specific quantity of castings for the final display. In all, there will be 140 panels on display at the Ashley Gibson Barnett Museum of Art at Florida Southern College.
Here's my question. Back when Frank designed all these, how did he think anybody could make this out of concrete? I mean,
He did.
The form for that would be insanity back then.
They were aluminum. They were made in a shop,
Oh, wow.
especially for that project. They still have the form.
So they cast them out of molten aluminum.
Yeah. Now the simpler ones, like this is the first house that Wright did. This is the Millard house. And this one, I don't know if he used aluminum or not, but you can see that the molds got more sophisticated as he went on. And the whole idea here is to illustrate kind of the development of the block concept, leading up to Florida Southern College.
So what we're going to do the rest of the day is we're going to get some bulk A, some bulk B, pour them in according to our into the next container. That'll catalyze it, mix it for a minute, pour within the next 2 minutes. So it's a 2-gallon bucket. So that'll be pretty good. Oh my God.
I'm going to hold this, hold the bucket up. You got it.
Well, that's pouring a little easier, isn't it?
Okay.
Which one is the activator, A?
B.
B.
Oh, I got to set my... Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go.
Go. Start mixing.
Yeah. Looks like soup. And while you're doing that,
50 seconds and counting.
I'm going to go ahead and get started on the next one.
So we're supposed to mix for how long?
Actually, I'm not going
1 minute, he said.
1 minute.
Well, I think so. I mean, it's going to harden in 3. So if you wait too
Okay.
long, we want to make sure it's mixed though. So maybe
Well,
a minute and a half. We're going to walk over there and pour it, but I don't trust it. That's why I thought I was doing it
I think
right.
I'm mixing this pretty well. I mean, I don't know.
It's like coffee, isn't it? A little milk in it. Okay, so
The next one is 80.
So remember not to put our thing back in. That next one is 80. All right, Jeff. What's the clock say?
More right there. My clock's at 56 seconds.
All right, there you go. Go ahead.
Let's do this. I'm gonna pour it in. Gotta be careful. I shouldn't have poured it on top of that perf.
Working? How'd it look?
Oh, poor mishap.
As much as we got. Not bad.
What's the next one?
73.
Whoa. It's going to take a mathematician like me to make that work.
Pretty much is all I'm going to get out of that, I think. Just got a smidge on the bottom. Okay.
This chemical reaction happens very quickly and gives off an incredible amount of heat.
or a little bit.
That'll be all right.
Watch the mold on the right. You can see how quickly it hardens in just 3 minutes. This next clip starts in real time, and the opacity changes while they're leveling it.
Hey, can somebody level this for me? Can somebody level that end? Yeah, it's way off. I don't know what happened.
This next clip is at 20 times normal speed. The numbers written on the front of each box let Jeff and Larry know exactly how many of that block needs to be cast for the exhibit.
Should I hold it?
Yeah.
Now it's hot.
Well, is it? Well, let's do this. Okay. Let it drop. Drop. Okay, now.
Oh, careful.
That does look good.
Wow. Good. It's hot.
All right, we'll leave it there.
Here, lay it on top to pick all that up. So it'll stay flat.
Good idea.
Well, meanwhile,
That's a great idea.
it's a great idea except for this.
Oh.
I say that's an A for effort there.
So should we do the next one?
I'd say it's ready.
Pull the next one.
Sure. I wonder why mine popped out. Maybe I waited a long time. Yeah, that's what I did. It was meant to
Doesn't
be.
get better than that. Yeah, it's like pizza.
Yeah. Very nice. I like this part, Jeff.
Yes, there's a certain satisfaction to it, isn't there? Lip.
Okay, so
That
we
was on there.
trim that off a little bit.
Yeah. Yep.
Otherwise, it's good, right? There we go.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's mint.
I love that. That's a beauty.
This is a perf, so this is going to be interesting. And the problem is if we pull on this, this is still malleable, you know. Oh yeah, it's caught up on the perfs.
And this is the part where the camera battery dies at the most convenient moment as to not completely spoil what's to come. Want to see more? Check out this project and more at the Ashley Gibson Barnett Museum of Art at Florida Southern College from June 7th through November 16th, 2025. Thanks for watching.